Before you start investing, forget property. What you need to know is what your end desired destination is going to be. So what is the desired lifestyle you've got? Now I break lifestyle into 4 categories. So money, your lifestyle, which is your family and the time you spend with your family, health, and really resetting your goals time and time again. There's a very different understanding of goals nowadays. Goals have become somewhat okay to fail at. And the reason that is, people confuse goals with aspirations. And I'll explain the difference. So an aspiration may be, I want to be a pro golfer. A goal is, I want to be a pro golfer, but I'll create an action plan with steps that get me there. So I want to be a pro golfer, I'm going to hit 36 holes a day, I'm going to get professional coaching, I'm going to enter some tournaments and build up my skill level. Investing's the same. There's no use just saying I want to live off $100,000 a year. That's an aspiration. These videos will give you the steps to get you there. So first of all, understand and be clear on your goal. Think about the type of lifestyle you want, the time you want to spend with your family, the amount of time you're going to need to enjoy your health, and then work out what you need in a realistic period of time. Remember, building wealth is not about get rich quick. Get rich quick equates to lose money fast. So be very clear on your financial and desired outcome, which gives you the lifestyle you want, and we'll work through backwards from there on the steps you need to take to reach that goal.